So it's been raining for the past 12 hours or so. Can't even get out of the neighborhood. It's basically a river. There's kids from all around playing in the water, having fun. It stopped raining there for a while. It looks like it's about to start raining. Looking at the water, it looks like it's about to start raining again. There's a creek over there, or a runoff, whatever you want to call it, but it's usually very, very empty. You can see the cars are basically up to the bottom of the car. I'm gonna walk back to the house now. Kids talking about wanting it to rain more. It's like keep playing outside in the streets. There's actually more people out here right now than I usually see any given day. And people just straight up have toys out here. This is really the only second flood that I've really experienced. I used to live in Mobile, Alabama, and used to flood downtown all the time, but I've never had it flood in a residential area. So this is a completely new experience for me. I'm actually about to walk into some hot water. I'm gonna get around it real quick. Oh yeah, it's about to rain again. Pretty deep water, actually. It's coming up all the way right here. I need to walk back a little bit faster. It's about to rain again. Ooh, I'm going through some high water again. I mean, this whole entire side of the street is just completely flooded, which is very, very weird. You can, in front of the house that I live in, it's actually not flooded in front of that house. So I live right where that car is. Dodging the water. Actually, now that I think about it, it's been raining probably since about 8 o'clock the previous night. It only really started picking up around midnight, though. Right now it's about like 1 o'clock or something like that. So it's been raining for a lot longer than 12 hours. So you can see the street right here. A couple hours ago, you couldn't see the street at all. I mean, it was that flooded. And then when you go on the other side of the street, it's flooded over there too. Playing with big swans and just hit them with a wet noodle. Anyways, that's it. That's Houston, or Katy weather.